Hello and welcome to Azariah's Studio. My name is Sarah. I am the artist and designer behind Azariah's Studio. The first stitch to learn in crochet is the chain stitch. You want to make a slip knot. If you don't know how to make a slip knot, please go to the video in the link below. I have my slip knot on my hook. I'm going to tension your yarn however is comfortable. Mine goes across all my fingers and then around my pinky one time. Everybody does this differently. The goal is to be able to have some tension on this yarn so that it's not just free flowing when you pull your hook. I can tighten my pinky and this yarn will not go anywhere. If I loosen it though, it'll come out. To make a chain, you're going to grab the working yarn. This is called the working yarn. The short one is the tail. Be sure you're grabbing the working yarn. Use the hook to pull it through that slip knot. Now I have a new loop. You're just going to continue to do this the number of times the pattern tells you to. If you are brand new to crocheting and you've never done this before, I suggest you sit and do this for a little while, just so you can get the feel of the yarn. No more than 15 minutes a day. You want your chains to look uniform, to look like each other. You don't want them to be deathly tight, so don't yank on this yarn and strangle the hook, because that's going to make these little tiny chains. See how difficult that is for me to even do. And then see, they just look like little knots. But on the other side of that, you don't want to have this huge loop thing going on here either, because that's not going to work. You want to keep things nice and uniform. So crochet hooks come in different sizes, and that is their diameters are larger or smaller, and the stitch size is based on the diameter of the hook. So you want to make sure that you're getting it to the thickest part of the hook. If you have one of the metal hooks that's like flatter here in the middle, don't go down that far because that's going to be too big. But you don't want it up here either because that's too small. So stay around here, but see, keep it nice and loose, not too tight, or you get like these guys down here. And just keep making chains. When making a chain feels pretty good, it doesn't have to feel perfect, but when you're no longer getting frustrated with it, then you can move on to the next one. And it's your choice. There's plenty of yarn in the world, and sheep grow more wool every year. You can rip it out and start again, or you can cut it off and throw it away, cut it off and save it so you can see your progress. That is the chain stitch. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Happy making!